So my girl went to her first concert. She went to see Nicki Minaj because she loves her. So I'll be showing y'all how I make this little, I want to say dress, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, first things first, I went to TJ Maxx and I got this. It was like a size medium, I think. And then I got her shirt. She wears a size 4 and 5. So I got that, and I put the sleeves kind of like inside, like I kind of tucked it in. You want to always do the sleeves separately. So now you just want to cut and leave like a lot of seam allowance, or just make it as if it's a dress already. Cut 1/2, and then you will see that I'll fold it over a little. And this was the night before the concert, so that's why I'm like recording ugly, and I really didn't feel like getting my ring light and all that stuff. So yeah, I tried. I really did try to get good footage, but yeah, you can see it's not the best. This is what I mean when I say I folded it in half and then I just cut the other side. But it was kind of different because I didn't want to cut that little B. Or like, yeah, you can see it's the B sticking out, and I didn't want to cut that off. So I kind of like went around it. So this is where I messed up. I was supposed to like make really big sleeves, like leave a lot of seam allowance, but I didn't. So yeah, make sure y'all leave a lot of seam allowance beforehand. Here I'm cutting the neckband. Here are the sleeves, but I ended up making them bigger with more fabric. And then my front and back piece. So I'll add the neckbands first to the front and back, and then I'll connect them. Serge the first neckband on the front piece, and it looks like this so far. So this is the pretty side, and then this is obviously this is the neckband. So this is the pretty side of the neckband. You can't really tell, but this stuff will be ate up and then it'll be pretty. So you want to make sure that the pretty side of the back side is touching the pretty side of the neckband. So when you sew the neckband on pretty side to pretty side, when you flip it over the right way, it'll be pretty. I'm getting ready to serge this. And while I'm sewing, I want to pull the neckband a little so it can like snug the material. I'm going to place the front and back together, and I'm going to sew the shoulder seams together so I can place the sleeves on it. You probably can't tell, but like this side is a little weird because I wanted to keep like the B for the Barbie. So yeah, I had to like make something work. So it might look a little weird. Now you just want to open this up, and then you want to open up your sleeves. And again, always pretty side to pretty side. You can see that this is like the pretty side and this is ugly side, because like you can see where they serged at. So pretty side to pretty side, and you just want to always do like this. And with sleeves I always pin them. So I'm about to pin them, then I'll show you. So when I do the sleeves first, I like to do the like the end one. Then I like to find the midpoint of the sleeve and the midpoint of this, like the short part. I pin this, and then lastly I pin the other side. This is what it looks like pinned, and now I'm just gonna sew all around. I forgot to record, but I'm closing the sleeve, like from the top of the sleeve all the way down to the bottom of her dress. I'm gonna just cut a rectangle of fabric to add to the sleeve and to the side, because apparently I cut this way too small. So I'm gonna just add a strip of fabric on each side. Okay, so y'all can see that I added the dark pink fabric to the sleeves to make it bigger. That's really it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I wish I would have made it a little bit more detailed, but it's okay. Hopefully y'all get it. Thanks for watching. Bye.